Of course you know that your house is your most valuable asset. Shouldn't you maintain it to keep it looking great? But with so many house painters out there, how do you know that you're getting the best one and not getting ripped off? Our guide will tell you insider secrets that most painters don't want you to know. You will learn how to avoid getting ripped off by painters who are more interested in your money than painting your house. Our fact-filled money-saving guide will show you what you need to do before you talk to a painter. And our video series, 10 Questions to Ask, will also help you hire the best painter. We will also provide free sources so you can pick paint colors with confidence. We will even teach you how to properly paint your house yourself. There are even discounts inside so you can save money. And we'll teach you maintenance secrets that will help preserve the value and beauty of your home and keep your family safe by reducing the risk of household disasters like fires. This is what Barrington Painters is all about. We have helped countless people get the job done right and maintain the value and beauty of their homes. We'd like to help you too by giving you our free ebook and video series and personally answering any questions you may have. To begin, just enter your email and phone number. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.